Hey, what is up guys, Ryan Kabir, and in this video we're going to take a look at the best clear case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. So when it comes to clear cases, there's nothing much, but this case has the MagSafe capability and the kickstand on it, which would be really helpful. So let's open this up and check it out. So here's the ESR case itself, and you guys can see that it has the MagSafe ring on the back and a kickstand on it. Here are the buttons, and on the top and on the bottom there are some cutouts which are looking good. On the back there is also protection for the cameras. So here is the kickstand itself, so it is looking very rigid. I really like the strength on it. Now let's put our device in and check how it looks. So here's how the button looks. The clickiness is really good and also tactile. I really like the precise press on it. As you guys can see, the volume button works pretty well. And as you guys can see, I have the camera protection on it. I have the camera glass protector on it, as you can see here, and it works really good with the case. There is nothing to complain about. And the S Pen cutout is really good. You can put it out really easily. Now let's check the kickstand strength. As you can see, it's really rigid, and yeah, you can put this on horizontally or vertically and it works well. Also, I like the rigidity on this case, so you can put your device on top of any surface and it won't scratch up the screen. And also let's check out the ESR magnetic ring on it. So as you can see, it works really good, and it's so strong that I cannot even put this out. So that's pretty much it, and for the ESR kickstand clear case. So give it a thumbs up, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, peace out.